Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In you are watching full video property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, famous nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are being widely explained for their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 3. Category 4. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and cares for the surroundings. Rooms are available online. You can book them online. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by comment below. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel.